Hi, and welcome back to another JobPro tutorial. Today we will be covering how to create and use a dummy bidder within your system. A dummy bidder is a special customer set up within your system that can be used to send out proposals to multiple contractors. This feature is super helpful because it eliminates the need to create a proposal for each contact. Instead, you'll be able to create one proposal assigned to your dummy bidder, and when you are ready, you'll be able to send that proposal to multiple contacts separately. Let's get started. The first step in creating your dummy bidder is to simply add the new customer to your system. This customer should be under an alias. We recommend something as simple as calling it a dummy bidder, general contractor bidder, or something along those lines. This customer can have as much or as little customer information as you'd like to add. It does not necessarily need to include any contact information. Once you have added your dummy bidder to the system, you will need to reach out to your JobPro support team so that this customer can be classified as a dummy bidder within your system. This step sets up a flag that lets the system know that the proposal will need to be sent to any contact that you have added to the proposal you have created. All you will need to do is send us an email at support@jobprotect.com letting us know which customer needs to be set as a dummy bidder, and we will take care of the rest. After your dummy bidder has been fully set up, you are ready to start creating your proposals and sending them out. The process for using a dummy bidder is the same with any other customer in your system. You simply need to create a new bid assigned to this customer and create your proposal within the bid worksheet. The only difference in this process is that you will need to navigate to the Contacts tab and add any contacts this proposal will need to be sent to. Be sure to check the boxes under the Primary Contact and Can Send Proposal columns. Once you have added your contacts and completed your proposal, you can click the Customer Proposal button and then click Save. This will create a copy of your proposal for each of the contacts you have added. Navigate to the Reports History tab, and you can view and email each proposal separately. That is going to wrap up our tutorial on dummy bidders. If you're a JobPro customer and have any other questions about dummy bidders, call us at 704-584-4019 or send an email to support@jobprotect.com. If you are not a JobPro customer but want more information on how to become a part of the JobPro community, call us at 704-584-4015 or send an email to info@jobprotect.com. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Stay tuned for more of JobPro's tutorial videos in the future.